Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Farrand Elementary School, home of the Foxes, here in Plymouth, Michigan, part of the Plymouth-Canton Community School District. This is my first visit to their campus. Beautiful morning. Got to speak to all the grades, K through 5, right here in the gymnasium, students and staff. And the main topic, main focus for today's program was positivity, right? And this means having a positive attitude everywhere in your life and with everyone in your life, and always trying to be the best version of ourselves. And look, it's easy to be positive on days where the sun's shining. Today it's a little bit rainy, kind of nasty outside, so not so easy to keep that positive outlook or mentality, but it's always possible, right? It's a conscious choice that we make if we're going to focus more on the positive versus the negative. And whatever we tell our brain and our heart, it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive, right? To replace those limiting beliefs or doubts that we have about ourselves, that we can't do it, that we're not good enough, not smart enough, not tall enough, whatever. We really try to focus on positive statements, right? And you start to see how your life becomes more positive in general. And so this is why I wear this shirt for this particular presentation. The words are upside down on purpose. It says, keep your head up, because it's always a reminder for us to keep thinking positively no matter what. If we're feeling sad, looking down, feeling down, about ready to give up, it's a reminder to just keep our head up. And we know that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or giving up, right? That we can fail again and again and again, but if we stop trying, then we have no shot, right? And the students really did take that to heart. You know, one of the core messages that I tried to focus on, along with being our best self, coming down to, you don't always have to be the best, you just have to do your best, right? You don't always have to get first place, win the race, get 100%. You just gotta try your hardest, right? That you're responsible for the effort, not always the outcome, but if you're doing your best each and every day, you can look yourself in the mirror at the end of the day and say, I gave it my all. Usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, you're gonna get the result that you want in your life. And look, we know that it's not just believing in ourselves and having that positive standpoint, you know, in here and in here. It's also treating others with that same positive nature. And so the concept I bring up in every assembly that's so important to me is the fact that we're all true miracles. So with the lines on our hand, we all have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one on each hand. That M stands for miracle. Upside down, W stands for worthy. So this means that we're beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, now we can go be out in this world and be someone else's light, right? To maybe their darkness, or try to shine whatever we're feeling in here. And that positivity, it's contagious, you know, it's just like effort, just like attitude. And we know that part of doing our best is also encouraging others, right? Trying to build them up. And when we do that, it makes us feel good, right? But of course, you know, this can maybe change a life and reach someone else's heart too. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a beautiful morning here at Farrand. I hope to see you all again soon. Until then though, have a great rest of the school year. Keep being that positive change for this world. And if something touched your heart, make sure that you keep sharing that gift as well. As always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.